Hi, this is Bill, and you are on Finest Travel Beat with Angela and Bill. Today we take you to the Rio Palace, Costa Rica, where we will be showing you Ocean View Junior Suite Room 2042. We will show you around the room and let you know our thoughts, what we liked, what we thought could have been improved, and as always, at the end, we'll give you our final thoughts. So we hope you enjoyed the rest of this video. Hi again, and thanks for watching. Definitely stick around to the end because at the end we're going to tell you about the things that we thought could have been improved on the room. Again, this is room 2042, which is a junior suite ocean view located at the Rio Palace, Costa Rica, located in Costa Rica. As you walk in, the door is normally closed. I left it open so I don't get locked out. The water closet or toilet is off to the right. The room was really very well maintained. It looked like it was probably updated somewhat recently. Nice new tile, plenty of room. As you go through to the other side of that wall is a double sink and a jetted tub, which is actually part of the main room. Over here, as you can see, we have a shower, a little cubby in there that you keep the towels and stuff that stay dry. There is a dual shower head, the rainfall on the top, and a handheld wand there. Water pressure was very good. Noticing the decor in general, it's typical of Rio resorts, which have a lot of blues and purples, kind of bright colors, pinks. There's that jetted tub I was telling you about. Now over here, as you enter, you need to put a card in that slot, otherwise the air conditioning lights will not turn on. You can use any card. I use my AARP card showing my age, but that controls the lights. Up on top of the closet is a blanket. Now my room was fairly warm. It was not uncomfortable, but a little warmer than I would have liked. Some of the people I traveled with said their rooms were very cold, so that blanket is up there in most rooms. If it's not, let the front desk know. As you saw, there is a iron and an ironing board, plenty of closet space as well. There's coffee there, a couple of huge bottles of water, a little mini fridge on the bottom, which was stocked when you went in with sodas and some beer. They will update that as you like throughout the week. Every day they come by and ask you what you want. I got the Imperial, which was very good, and really enjoyed that for a local beer. Also on top of by where the water is are bottles of alcohol. Those are kind of on a pump system. You put your glass underneath where that little like helicopter blade is. You push up and it allows a certain amount of alcohol out. This was pretty standard in the rooms. It was okay. I didn't really use it a whole lot because I was pretty much outside most of the day. There are your controls for the air conditioning and heating. I don't know that there is heating in Costa Rica, but air conditioning anyway. Nightstands is a power outlet there. No problems with that. Drawer space. Nice little cabinet desk. Plenty of light in the room as well, and you could control them from the nightstand, which was nice. That way you didn't have to get up and shut the lights off in the middle of the night. Bed was comfortable. Pillows, not so much, and I'll tell you about those at the end when we're finished. Plenty of channels on the television. A lot of things were in Spanish, some were in English. Little table over here with a couple of chairs. I used that to work on during the week. Another nightstand. There is a couch there. As you can see, it is not a fold-out couch at all. I think these rooms are really geared to two people. I'm not sure if this particular room had occupancy for more than two, but it would definitely be uncomfortable sleeping on that couch. Now, here you see I'm struggling trying to get this door open. It is not a sliding door. It actually has a handle there that has to go the opposite way of where I'm pointing. And as you see, I'm kind of struggling there. The handle actually has to be perpendicular to the door, and you see I got it there. And it actually swings out rather than closing. As you can see over here, there is a place to hang your bathing suits, which is kind of nice. A really nice big balcony. It overlooks the theater area on the left, and that's the main lobby also, the grounds. You can see the mountains and the trees, and yes, it's an ocean view. If you're on a higher floor, the ocean view is probably more prominent, but beyond the second floor, we could see it, and it was nice and breezy out there. It was amazing going out in the morning and listening to all the wildlife and monkeys. Before I give you my final thoughts and the places we thought could have been improved, if you are getting any value out of this video, please hit the like button. Comment below if you've been to this resort, well, what your thoughts are of the resort in general. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel out, and you will get notified every time we post a new video. The best part about it, it's free. We also have videos up on the channel of other Rio resorts, a full resort walkthrough of the Rio Palace, Costa Rica, and coming up in the next week or so, we will have a review of the Rio Guanacaste, which is located next door, also in Costa Rica. Okay, starting off with the things that could have been improved. One of the things I noticed when we walked into the room is there was a slight musty odor in the room. It wasn't bad, and we got used to it right away, but due to the humidity in Costa Rica, the heat, and also the fact that people probably use the room a lot when they are, come back from the pool, from the water, it's very damp. So I'd recommend bringing Febreze with you, and also bringing a damp rid. That may bring the humidity down a little bit, throw a little Febreze on things, and that should fix it right up. It really wasn't overpowering. It didn't trigger my allergies in any way or my asthma, but it was just something that I did notice when I was there. The pillows. The pillows were kind of small and not very comfortable. I don't know if there's a whole lot you could do about that. I slept fine every night anyway. I don't know whether they have different pillows at the front desk or not, but just that was one thing that I think Rio really could have improved, is the pillows could have been a little softer. I personally like soft pillows, but if you like hard pillows, that was fine. On the good side, the room was a nice size. It was very clean, very well maintained. The maid service was excellent. They were there early. If you were, sleeping in a little bit, they came back later in the day. They mopped the floor every day. Everything was wiped down. I felt it was very clean for an all-inclusive resort, and the service was excellent. They were very nice and very polite. Now, overall, like the rest of the resort, Rio Palace, Costa Rica, I think is an excellent value. Yes, there are things that could be improved, but at the price point it is, I think it was fine. The room was comfortable. It was serviceable. It was clean. There were no signs of bugs or anything like that. It was a nice fresh coat of paint. Everything was maintained well. So would I go back there? Absolutely. Again, the price was right, and the service was very good. And again, I'm going to sound like a broken record, but thank you so much for watching. The support for this channel and what Angela and I do are absolutely overwhelming. We get so many nice comments. We really enjoy seeing your comments. So if you like this video, like what we're doing, please let us know in the comments. It encourages us because YouTube is quite an effort. And again, Angela wasn't with me on this trip. She will be on the next one. We have a lot of cruises coming up this year. So come join us on our next adventure. Bye-bye, everybody.